Hello guys, it's the Lone Wolf back with another video, and today I'll be showing you 4 products you can use to make videos anywhere: YouTube, TikTok, anywhere. So coming in at number 1 is the BXP 2001 tripod. Let's unbox it. So this tripod over here can also be used as a selfie stick, and you're not only limited to using your smartphone on this tripod. You can use DSLR cameras, action cameras, as long as they have a tripod screw. And this is perfect for people who vlog or want to start a YouTube channel or TikTok. This is for you, seriously. So the next tripod we have here is the BXS 2001 multifunctional tripod. Do bear it in mind that the last tripod I talked about, they're both from the same company, but let's unbox this anyway. So what I like about this tripod is that it basically comes with the same accessories you get on the first tripod, and this is very good for people who are doing YouTube. This is perfect for you, and it has so much adjustment features, and it also can serve as a monopod as well if you'd like it like that. And you can basically make this thing go really long, very nice, and just very good quality. And also, if you'd like, you can even remove the tripod head of the first one and attach it to this second one for your smartphone. Okay, so for this next product here, we have the 360-degree object tracking holder. Let's unbox that as well. So how this product works is simple. It tracks your face and your movements. So if you move left, it goes left, and if you move right, it goes right. There are many products like this, but this one here is popular. So to use this thing with your phone, just download the Apai Genie app and connect both of these through Bluetooth. And when you open the Apai Genie app and everything is connected, you can use this. And this is best for apps like TikTok. If you want to dance, it starts moving and it's so cool. You guys should really try this product. So for the last product here, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Very respectable brand, DJI. Let's unbox the product. So the DJI has many features like stabilization, and it can also track just like the Apai Genie, and it has just much more. And if you download the DJI app and use this with your phone, then you have way more features. This product here can be for indie filmmakers, YouTubers, vloggers. This product is here just for you. You have so many controls like the joystick, and combined with the app, you have so much to offer. You guys should really try this out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to look at any of the products in this video, there'll be links in the description. Also, if you have any questions on any of the products shown in this video, feel free to comment below. And also, be sure to follow my social media pages, links in the description as well. And also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with a friend or family member. That would make me happy, and it'll also be a nice thing to do. And also, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.